Alright, make sure you have a clean cut. Make sure it's rounded off. Use your stripping tool. Make sure there's a little bit that hangs out the side of the tool. Pinch it around a couple times, backwards a couple times. Pull off the end. Make sure the center pin is there. Pull off the secondary. Make sure all the braiding is there. Make sure no braiding falls off and isn't cut through. Take a file or a side cutter, file down the end so it's like a pencil point. Make sure there's no barbs on it. And then there's a metal sleeve that you would slide down. This one happens to already be crimped, but you'd slide down the middle sleeve and then you'd put on the end, push back up the braiding, slide up the middle sleeve over the top, and then crimp it on down. That's how you put on an end.